Breaking news, Adventure Landing, a small family entertainment center and water park in Jacksonville Beach, Florida, has removed their one and only roller coaster, the Wacky Worm. This means that there are no more remaining roller coasters in Dubai. Now, the question is, what will replace the Wacky Worm? Well, I believe there are two possibilities. Possibility A, they're going to replace it with nothing. Possibility 2, an SBF Visa spinning coaster. Let's start off with the least exciting option. Option A. Adventure Landing rarely adds anything new. Ever since I've been going to Adventure Landing, it has mostly remained the same, other than the occasional minor addition. Not to mention the frog popper has been SB&O forever, and there is still no replacement for it. It is also worth noting that Adventure Landing has been set to close for a while, after the property was bought for $7.78 million back in 2021. However, it is yet to close. Now for argument B, the SBF Visa spinner. When I visited the site of the former Wacky Worm, I noticed a sign that said renovations were on the way, and maybe an SBF Visa spinner is part of these renovations. I don't think it's a far-fetched idea, because the Wacky Worm was previously SB&O. However, if they didn't have any plans for a replacement, why would they demolish it rather than leaving it SB&O like the frog hopper next door? An SBF Visa spinner would be a fantastic fit. The spinners have a very broad appeal, and Adventure Landing could add the hamster wheel cars to broaden the appeal and give thrill seekers a reason to visit. The only roadblock is that Adventure Landing is supposedly on borrowed time. The park is supposed to be demolished to make way for housing, which is super lame, by the way. Despite this, it has been 4 years and the park is still here. The lease keeps getting extended. Could the housing project have fell through? Maybe Adventure Landing is here to stay. Either way, if Adventure Landing does close, they have said they will relocate to a new location and rebuild. And if they do this, they can bring the SBF Visa spinning coaster. Anyways guys, that's all I have on this news update. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you enjoy theme park news and theme park videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Anyways guys, I'll see y'all in the next one.